Hey guys, it's Miss Menchie and welcome back to my channel. For today, I will be doing a makeup video. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. Ito yung look natin, no, to welcome 2021. Yes! Happy New Year, everyone! So, yeah. So, ito yung naisipan kong look, no, to perfectly match my outfit. Ayan. So, naka-polka dots ako with my polka dots na headband. So if you guys are interested how to achieve this look right here, just keep on watching. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click yung bell button para updated ka every time may bago akong upload. And also, i-follow nyo naman ako, guys, sa aking social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram. Ayan. So, yeah, that's it. Again, thank you so much and magkita-kita tayo sa aking next video. Kita-kits! Bye!